To run shared folders troubleshooter in Windows 10 Home, open settings, click or tap set menu icon, and then click or tap settings. Select update and security, and then select troubleshoot. Tap additional troubleshooters, and then scroll down screen. Select shared folders. Find and fix problems with accessing files and folders on other computers. Click or tap and then select run the troubleshooter. Allow the troubleshooter to run and then answer any questions on the screen. If you see a message that no changes or updates were necessary, you can try recovery options or find out more about Outlook error codes and upgrade and installation error codes. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.